welcome back to the 765LT content. Right now, we are going to be testing out something that everyone is telling me to test out, and that is launch control. And to do that, it's quite straightforward. I've turned off the arrow button, so the car should be lowered the rear spoiler. We've got a nice long straightaway in front of us. One of the first ever Spider launch controls. But let's go ahead and do this, shall we? So in automatic shifting, track mode, track displays, etc. Now, down here is the launch control button. Here we go, hitting launch. Now it says awaiting full throttle, boost building, boost ready. Oh my God! I'm speechless. It's honestly insane. Gotta do it again. Here we go, the wings all the way up. I love that. Anyway, so stopping the car, foot is hard on the brake, hit launch control. It's gonna be awaiting full throttle, boost building. We're ready. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. A little bit of tire spinach right there because, you know, we're not on a track or anything. Just getting a feel for the car. That was insane. Insane. It actually built boost much faster than my 600LT builds boost, which is interesting. But the thrust, the torque, you can feel how it's got such an amazing power to weight ratio, 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It's just shocking. It really is shocking. The Trofeo R's are doing a pretty good job. The track tires, you know, they're not like made specifically for drag racing, but the 720S series, the 765, they do such a good job with grip that literally just doing launch controls like that, they're able to put down the power very well, and the chassis just feels like it's a piece of cake. Let's try this one in POV mode so you can see what it's like. Alrighty, so for the sequence of events, go ahead and click this down here, launch control, waiting full throttle, building boost, boost ready. Oh my gosh, it's honestly just insane. Oh, the noise this car makes, it sounds. Oh, wow. Let's put on dynamic mode. So sport, track, dynamic, ESC dynamic. Let's get a feel for this thing, shall we? Boost building. Oh my gosh, it's way faster in dynamic mode. Whoa. 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 Way faster in dynamic mode, way faster. That's like plaid acceleration. That feels like the plaid. Oh my gosh, it's faster. So what I've learned, best acceleration, turn on dynamic for this car, let it build boost, and then once you build boost with it, it's pretty much set. It's insane! The car is insane! Santa brakes! That is the perfect combination. Literally testing and hitting the brakes. I'm in total shock. So yes, that is what I've learned. If you get in this car, make sure to turn on dynamic mode, literally the car feels almost like, I wouldn't say twice as fast, like 30% faster, 40%. It's just insane. Dynamic opens up power. It's still not full traction off, so don't worry about that. Do it if you know what you're doing as a driver. Also, do it on the racetrack. It'll make the car go much faster. It's insane. I can't stop talking so fast because I'm having so much fun. But this car, literally, it's a monster. I want to test out the SF90 next, see how it compares against this, because that'd be awesome. This is some ultimate supercar I've been in for straight line and for corners. And real quickly before this video ends, I know that I'm dressed completely differently. It's because after watching that footage, I do want to make an emphasis on just how much of a big difference dynamic mode truly makes on McLarens. And I know I stated it in this video earlier, but I just want to break it down even further because I noticed this when I got my McLaren, and I've noticed it with basically all the models I've driven. When you get in the car, there's so much more performance that's untapped until you hit that dynamic mode button. You finally get to experience it. So I hear comments all the time about people saying how, oh, a certain McLaren model is not that fast compared to what they've seen, or it's on track, it's really cutting power, or you're feeling like too much turbo lag. Turn on dynamic mode and you get so much more acceleration out of the vehicle. It's night and day. My thinking is that the cars are so fast already that they have it extra dialed down for the majority of people who buy them. And if you're a capable driver who can handle a vehicle, then you can actually hit a button and experience the full force of your McLaren. It's not fully traction off. That's a whole different level. And it makes a good difference traction off as well, but it's still, traction is still turned on. I believe that all McLarens should come from the factory with dynamic mode always turned on, but I guess a lot of people might find themselves getting in trouble because it's funny, you get in the car, it's in like safe mode but still really fast, but it's safe. You're not gonna lose control, I don't think. Then you put on dynamic mode, the car is more aggressive. It's kind of like Ferrari in race mode. You can get a good slip angle, a slide into corners, and tracking out. It gives you the full opportunity to explore all the horsepower you have. And then full off is just like, it's a race car. And also, if you do have a McLaren yourself, please let me know if you've experienced what I'm talking about, because to me it's such a night and day difference, and more people should know about it. Try out dynamic mode. It makes a huge difference on these cars. But back to the video. The fun part is we had the top down. 765 experience, the ultimate supercar with the top down. It's amazing. Please let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of those acceleration pulls? I wonder what kind of numbers that we could get. Now, we're not doing any instrumental tests right now, checking numbers, because we are at like 5,000 feet elevation, and to do those kind of tests, you want the manufacturer to get in on it with you. So anyways, please let me know again. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next episode.